Shawty bad and she thick, yeah she know that she the shit. I ain't slip, I got grip, bounce it fast, girl you lit. You got tits, that ain't shit, check that ass, yeah that's it. Do the splits on my clip, you know you be on your shit, yeah. Bounce that ass all in my face, yeah.
What's up, my Supreme? What's good, my team? What's up y'all? It's your girl Adriana and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be an at-home whitening teeth tutorial, and basically I'm going to show you guys how to whiten your teeth at home. So we're going to jump on into the video, but first, if you're new or returning and have not already, hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the Supreme team. As you guys know, we are on the road to 500 and then soon on the road to 1K. I know we can do it because we're the best team on the tube. So without further ado, we're going to jump on into the video. So this is going to be geared to people going back to school, or even if you're, I know that some people already started school, which I'm so sorry if you guys are like from different, you know, states and stuff. In New York, we don't really start school until the end of August if you're in college, and the beginning of September if you're in like high school or elementary school or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so this is my gift to you guys. So before I start this video, no, I am not sponsored by the company that I'm about to show you, but if you guys do want to sponsor me, holla at your girl. My email's down below in the description box. But basically I'm going to be using this Luxe Smile, and basically this is like a charcoal that is used to whiten your teeth. So basically you're going to brush your teeth with it, and then you're going to brush with regular toothpaste to get all the staining and stuff off your teeth, because this is black. So we're about to open it. Disclaimer to everybody who wants to buy this product, I'm just letting you guys know that this product, I recently checked the website and it does have a different packaging along with different pricing. When I brought this like a couple years ago, like I would say like maybe last year. I brought this like last year, right when the company was still fairly new. So this packaging is like the original packaging. The packaging has updated and also the pricing has updated. So when I brought this product originally, it was $15, and now that I look on the website, it's about $55 or $45. So just be aware that my pricing was different, because you know, when you're first buying from a new company, the pricing is lower, and then after a while it rises up because this company is blossoming as of recently. So this company is a really good company to use for whitening your teeth. So we're gonna get right into the video. And this is the powder inside. I know you're looking like, oh, it really looks like charcoal. Like, it really does look like charcoal. So all you're gonna need is this, a toothbrush, water, and your regular toothpaste. So we're gonna jump on into this. Alright you guys, so after you're done brushing for a good 2 minutes, you're obviously going to want to go spit it out. Do not swallow it. Please do not swallow this product, because I think it says on the packaging, like the original box, I think it said do not swallow. So do not swallow it. You're supposed to spit it out. Like, act like it's like regular toothpaste. Like, you just spit it out, even though it's powder. So after you're done with that, you're just going to see that your teeth are you still got blackness in your teeth and your gums. My lips are black, your teeth are black, and my gums are black. So then that's where the regular toothpaste comes. So I'm just going to use my regular Colgate toothpaste, and I'm just going to, oh my god, why is the toothpaste out of the thing? And I'm just going to put it on my brush, even though my brush is black, and I'm just going to take a little bit, well, a lot, oh god, that almost dripped. Okay, and dip it into some water, and then you're just gonna brush until you don't see no more blackness on your teeth. Alright you guys, so this is the final product. As you guys can see, my teeth look much whiter than how they looked in the beginning of the video. I don't remember if I took a picture at the beginning of the video or not, but if I did, then there's going to be a picture right here. So as you guys can see, my teeth was like a little bit yellow, and it took majority of it off. Now if you keep using this product over time you will see like all the yellow would eventually keep coming off if you keep using this product, so that's good. Other than that, I probably should have went to the bathroom because I had to keep I had to keep turning off the camera, running to the bathroom and spit it out, then you know, coming back and going back and forth, like, you know, the whole back and forth running to the bathroom. Probably should have filmed it in the bathroom, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. I did it some way, somehow. This product does actually work. Trust and believe. I know there's a lot of like fake products on social media, so like you don't know what product is real and what product isn't, or what product works and what product doesn't. But I'm here to tell you that Luxe Smile works. Trust me. And I had this for a couple years now, and I use it all the time, and this does work. So this is a really good product. It is not a product that is not gonna work, or that you have to, you know, use 10 million times to see. Like, you could see like in the first brush that it got majority of the yellow out, but if you keep using it like repeatedly throughout the days or throughout the weeks, you will see that it will come off more and more and more throughout the days, whether you use it every day or whether you use it every week. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want to try it, or if you guys have tried it. Let me know your results. Let me know details, honey. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it, what didn't you like, what did you like. Let me know. And for those of you who want to try this product, the link to the website will be in the description box below. So, you know, make sure you get on that. And I know there's probably gonna be some men watching too. Listen, men, y'all need to invest in this, okay? Girls do not like no crispy buttery teeth, okay? None of that. None of that. No, that's dead. Nobody likes no buttery teeth. Make sure your teeth are white, because I love a guy with cute smiles, okay? And ladies, don't be walking around here with yellow buttery teeth either, because men don't like that either, okay? Make sure you invest in this. I know the price is kind of high right now, but it's a good investment. Always invest big in yourself. Don't ever cheap yourself out of anything, okay? But like I said, the link to the website will be in the description box below. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.